Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Ibotta step by step clearly. Open your device and ensure you have a stable internet connection. Go to the App Store on your smartphone or tablet. Search for Ibotta in the search bar. Once you find the Ibotta app, tap on it to view the details. Press the Install or Get button to download the app. Wait for the app to install on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the Ibotta app icon on your home screen. Tap on the Ibotta icon to open the app. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Select Sign Up to create a new account. Provide your email address in the required field. Create a secure password for your account. Confirm your password by typing it again. Next, you will be asked for your phone number. Enter your phone number and tap Next. Ibotta will send you a verification code via SMS. Check your messages for the code and enter it in the app. After verifying your phone number, proceed to the next step. Complete your profile by providing the required personal information. This may include your name and mailing address. Once your profile is filled in, review the terms and conditions. If you agree, check the box to accept the terms. Now, tap on the Create Account button. You should receive a confirmation that your account has been successfully created. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with its features. You are now ready to start using Ibotta to earn cash back on your purchases. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.